This is Stick. He had been feeling alone for a while. Not the kind of alone you fix with a quick phone call, but the kind that sits quietly in your chest. On a cloudy afternoon, he found himself on his favorite park bench, watching people pass by, couples laughing, friends chatting, and Stick just sitting, wondering if anyone in the world truly understood him. And then she sat down next to him. A girl with a curious smile and eyes that seemed to notice everything. They started talking about nothing at first. The weather, the pigeons. But within minutes, Stick realized something strange. She laughed exactly when he laughed, tilted her head the same way. It was as if he was talking to a mirror. They met again the next day, and the next. The more time they spent together, the stranger it became. If Stick scratched his head, she did too. If she sneezed, he sneezed at the same moment. They didn't plan it. It just happened. One day, Stick decided to test it. He pulled out a coin, gave her a grin, and flipped it high into the air. She guessed correctly every time. Heads, tails. Heads again. No hesitation, no mistakes. It was impossible. Yet, there it was. Soon they were testing their connection from farther away. Across the park, across the city. No matter the distance, they reacted instantly to each other. It didn't matter if they were 5 meters apart or 5 kilometers. It was as if they were one mind in two bodies. In the quantum world, there's something a little like this: entanglement. In everyday life, things seem separate. You're you, I'm me. But in the quantum world, particles can be bound together in ways we can't see, and maybe we can't even fully understand. Quantum entanglement reminds us that the universe is more connected than it looks, and maybe so are we. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. It's real, proven, and stranger than fiction. But Stick wasn't thinking about physics, not at first. He was thinking about how good it felt to be understood. They weren't just similar. They started to feel inseparable. They shared coffee, stories, quiet sunsets. She understood him without words. And for the first time in a long time, Stick felt less alone. And then, one day, she didn't come. Stick waited on their bench for hours, watching the shadows grow longer. The next day, she wasn't there either. Or the day after. The park felt emptier than before he met her. Stick thought about entanglement, about how two things can be so connected that they act as one. But maybe love isn't something you can measure, predict, or trap in equations. Maybe it's the one thing that escapes even the strangest laws of physics. Stick loved her. Maybe she loved him. Maybe not. Or maybe she did, but in her own way. Who knows? This is Science with Stick, where we turn the mysteries of science into stories. New episodes every week.